Good morning, good morning. Look at the ladybugs, y'all. So this is the peach tree, guys. The peach tree, it was setting fruit for the last week or so. But I wanted you guys to get a good view after, a week or so when they got a little bit bigger. So let's zoom in on these baby peaches. Can you guys see them? Like some little furry balls. That's what they was looking like for about a week. But I wanted to wait to give you guys something to actually look at. You see the baby peaches? Like some little furry balls. Y'all see the baby peach? Y'all excuse my neighbor. They wait till I get to doing stuff and then here they is. Look at the baby peaches. So we will have fruit this year, whatever the rain don't wash out, because it's been really rainy here lately. And the storm coming in again. Look at the peaches, guys. I know y'all can tell the wind high. The baby peaches. This what it's looking like. It's finna get ready to storm. I haven't been able to get out here because of all the rain. So I tried to slide out before it started again. But yes, y'all, we have peaches. I hope you guys can see them. So all the fruit trees are fruiting. I'm gonna have to give y'all an update on the citrus too, because they all are fruiting and they are looking so much better. But back to the peaches, because this is just a little clip for you guys for the peaches. And that little brown piece at the tip is gonna fall off. You guys see the peaches? We're gonna have peaches. You guys have some peaches. See how the storm just blowing them all off? That baby peach didn't make it. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this clip. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, take a moment and go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Share this video if you would like. They look a little droopy, y'all, because it keep raining. So there's nothing I can do about that. Even though I've pondered my brain over and over and over again. But they just less water off my water bill. But yes, guys, we have peaches growing. That's going to be the end of this video. Oh, it's blowing in, y'all. It's blowing in. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.